Hey everybody, so I have another guess what's in the bag video. So please stick around, check out the video. It's from Amazon, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so it's another guess what's in the bag video, box video. So we're going to measure it real quick, and then we'll measure the size, and then we'll measure what the item is. So the bag's length, or width, is 13 1/8 inch wide by 18 1/4 long, and it's 1.5 inches tall. And the actual item in the bag is right here, which is about 1 3/4, almost 2 inches, and it is 17 about 3/8. And it's 1.5 roughly. What are your guys' guesses? What do you think's in the bag? If you guys get the guess right, I will get you guys' information, whoever got it right, and I'll send out some stickers, some Ulsa Tool stickers, and probably a Wrench Trench Garage sticker. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Just a quick little video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And also at the top of the description I have a link with my initials on it for Ulsa Tools. You click on that link, you can get 10% off on anything on their website. If you guys need organization or anything like that, I appreciate you guys sticking around. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!